Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to upload claim application document to NBOCWWB portal using the DocScanner mobile app. Let's begin. Open the DocScanner from your phone. Enter your user ID and password to log in to the mobile application. Please note that you can only upload the documents for the claims which was applied by you or by your user ID. Before proceeding with the uploads, go to the claim application. Select the claim ID, which you wish to upload the documents. Now navigate to the options and click on View. Scroll down to Nominee List. Click the View link under the document QR code. This is the QR code which will link to the claim application. Now select Scholarship and tap OK in the mobile app. Allow access permission. Scan the QR code from the mobile app. Now select the document to upload by clicking the Scan button. Click Capture button. Use the 4 circle buttons to crop or resize the image. Use the Contrast button to change the document contrast. Similarly, use the Rotate button to rotate the document. Click Check button to accept the document. Once this is done, click the Upload button to sync the document to the portal. On successful upload, a check mark will be shown. To confirm the upload, go to the portal and refresh the claim application. If upload is success, a view link will appear. Click the link to view the document as shown in the screen. That's it. This is how you can upload a document using the DocScanner mobile app. Similarly, follow the same steps to upload other documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Bye for now.